Art can be a powerful tool to inspire change and shine a light on the world's most pressing issues. Today, we're diving into how you can use Midjourney to create impactful visuals that raise awareness for social causes. From climate change to mental health, I'll guide you through using AI, like Midjourney right here, to spark meaningful conversations. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to amplify your advocacy efforts. Let's get started. Let's start with a global concern, climate change. To raise awareness, we can create an image showing the devastating impacts of rising temperatures on polar ecosystems. A striking visual can evoke emotion and spur action better than 1,000 words. Now, here's a simple yet detailed prompt that I come up with. All right, here it goes. As you'll see, melting glacier collapsing into the ocean, followed by polar bears stranded on shrinking ice floe, then water reflecting a fiery sunset, dramatic and emotional, and of course the quality like HK ultra realistic. All right, so let's send this over right now and let the image rendering process to begin. So I've crafted this prompt right here to highlight the urgency of climate change through a visually gripping scene. Now, once Midjourney processes this, we'll see how AI can translate data and emotion into a single powerful image right here. And see right here. Now, look at how vivid details convey the gravity of the situation right here. See the polar bears, shrinking ice floe right here. There's the reflection of the fiery sunset. See right there? This can be used in presentations, campaigns, or even as social media posts to raise awareness. Over here, the polar bears, fiery sunset, and another one right here. There's the polar bear. See? What do you think of this imagery? I'll leave it up to you if this would be effective as a result. That could match the details from my prompt. And here's the rendered image right here. See? Mental health is another crucial topic that needs more visibility. To break the stigma, we can create an abstract representation of emotional struggles and healing, just like this one. So this type of art can deeply resonate with people who feel unseen. So here's another prompt for this segment that I've come up with. Let's say I want to visualize like a lone figure sitting in a shadowed room. There is a vibrant glowing threads of light weaving around them, symbolizing hope and recovery. Make it more emotional and surreal. Again, high detail, soft focus. And now, let's send this over right now. So this prompt right here is designed to show both the struggles and the hope that comes with mental health awareness. So as it currently processes, let's see how Midjourney interprets this balance between darkness and light. All right. So here's the result right here. Let me show you each of the results of the rendered image. See, notice how the glowing threads draw your eye to the hope amidst the shadows right here. See, there goes another one. There's the glowing threads underneath the shadow. And another one right here. Okay, this one, I like it even more. My personal favorite here. And another one right here. So this could be a perfect image for a mental health campaign or awareness poster. See? Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Next, let's tackle gender equality. A powerful visual could feature diverse individuals united in a scene that symbolizes empowerment and equality. It's all about inclusivity and representation. Now here's another one of the prompts for this segment here alone, right here. So I would like to visualize for Midjourney to render the image about like a group of diverse women standing together on a podium radiating strength and unity, modern feminist poster style, vibrant colors. It needs an inspirational mood for the whole image. So, yep, with everything said and done with these details, let's send this over right now and see how the image rendering would take a while. So this prompt combines symbolism and diversity to reflect the strength of unity. So let's see how Midjourney transforms these words into a dynamic visual for gender equality. All right, so let's just wait a while. This won't take too long, don't worry. All right, okay, as you'll see right here, there we go. And wow, as you'll see here, this is striking, I must say, with the bold colors and strong poses right here, as you'll observe here. They really capture the spirit of equality and empowerment. You could use this in events, online campaigns, or even part of an educational initiative. See? It's really bold poses with the colors and everything. Even there's different art style. See? It matches with the prompts here and there. Finally, let's address clean water accessibility, a fundamental right many still lack. A poignant image can highlight this pressing issue in a way that motivates people to take action. And so let's get straight to the point with how you can render images through a simple prompt, putting in more details just so Midjourney would hit right in that point with the awareness on having clean water accessibility right here. Okay, let's say I want a child holding an empty water jug, then cracked earth beneath their feet, a distant oasis on the horizon, make it realistic looking, having deeply emotional tones, and have muted colors. All right, so just by how details it is, with how you think it is overall with the details, it's really sound really sad, I must say. Now, let's see how Midjourney would go with its magic. Alrighty. So, yeah, this prompt paints a heartbreaking yet hopeful scene to draw attention to the wider crisis, just as you read each detail of this. Now, let's see how Midjourney delivers on this impactful concept. All right, and yep, here it is. This powerful image, each of them, this captures the urgency of this issue. See? The drought, no water, the kid holding an empty jug right here with the muted colors and emotional depth could make this a centerpiece for any awareness campaign on water scarcity. See how sad it is and make it more alarming for people to advocate for water something something. Yep, accessibility. And that's about it. With Midjourney, you can create art that not only captivates but also drives change. Whether it's raising awareness for climate change, mental health, or social justice, visuals have the power to make a difference. If you try these prompts or come up with your own, share your creations through the comments below through a link. That is, with how you generated in Midjourney. I'd love to see them. Now, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next video.